Welcome! Today, we're diving into something truly foundational for a fulfilling life: how to cultivate both physical health and a healthy sense of timing in our daily routines. It's not about rigid schedules, but about creating a rhythm that supports your well-being and helps you feel more in control. Think about it. When we feel good physically, our minds are clearer, our energy levels are higher, and we're simply better equipped to handle whatever comes our way. And when we have a good sense of timing, knowing when to push, when to rest, and when to simply be, we reduce stress and increase our effectiveness. So, how do we build this powerful combination? It starts with understanding your body's natural cues. Are you someone who thrives with an early start? Or do you find your peak productivity later in the day? There's no single right answer, only what's right for you. Experimenting with different wake-up times and sleep schedules can reveal your optimal sleep duration and the best times for focused work or creative pursuits. When it comes to nutrition, healthy timing isn't about strict meal plans, but about nourishing yourself consistently. This means aiming for balanced meals and snacks that provide sustained energy, rather than relying on quick fixes that lead to energy crashes. Listening to your hunger and fullness signals is a vital part of this. It's about honoring your body's needs without judgment. Movement is another cornerstone. Finding activities you genuinely enjoy makes it far more likely you'll stick with them. Whether it's a brisk walk in the morning, a yoga session in the afternoon, or a dance class in the evening, incorporating regular physical activity boosts your mood, strengthens your body, and improves your sleep quality. The timing here is about finding slots in your day that work, even if it's just 15–20 minutes. Consistency over intensity is key, and then there's the mental aspect. Our minds also need rhythm. This includes setting boundaries around work and personal time, scheduling in moments for relaxation and connection, and even planning for downtime. Learning to say no when you're overextended is a powerful act of self-care and contributes to a healthier sense of timing. It's about recognizing that rest isn't a reward, but a necessity for sustained well-being. Building healthy habits takes time and patience. Be kind to yourself throughout the process. Some days will be easier than others, and that's perfectly normal. The goal is progress, not perfection. By paying attention to your body's signals and intentionally structuring your days to support your health, you'll find yourself feeling more energized, focused, and in tune with your own natural rhythm. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to explore your own path to health and healthy timing. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more insights on living a vibrant and balanced life.
Welcome. Today, let's talk about something truly powerful: the incredible impact of healthy meals and daily exercise on your well-being. Imagine waking up feeling energized, ready to embrace the day with a clear mind and a strong body. That's not a far-off dream. It's a tangible reality you can build, one healthy choice at a time. When you nourish your body with wholesome foods, you're not just fueling it, you're providing the essential building blocks for optimal function. Think of it as giving your internal engine the premium fuel it deserves. This translates to better focus, improved mood, and a more resilient immune system, helping you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. And then there's movement. Daily exercise, in whatever form brings you joy, is like a reset button for your entire system. It's not about punishing yourself. It's about celebrating what your body can do. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart, improves your circulation, and releases those wonderful endorphins that naturally lift your spirits. It can help manage stress, promote better sleep, and build a foundation of strength that supports you in every aspect of your life. The beauty of this approach is its synergy. When you combine nutritious eating with consistent movement, you unlock a level of vitality that's truly transformative. You'll likely find yourself with more sustained energy throughout the day, a sharper mental clarity, and a greater sense of overall contentment. It's about creating a positive feedback loop where each healthy habit reinforces the next, leading to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Small, consistent steps can lead to remarkable changes over time. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your victories, and know that you are investing in the most valuable asset you have: your health. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to embrace the power of healthy meals and daily exercise. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more insights on living a healthier, happier life.